When an automaker renowned for building some of the most achingly beautiful Grand Tourers on the planet appends a solitary S to a model name, the automotive world rightfully pays attention. For the 2026 Aston Martin DB12 S, that single letter represents something profound. According to Simon Newton, Aston Martin's Director of Vehicle Performance and Attributes, the DB12 S is entirely about engagement, a holistic binding of elevated performance, handling, and driver connection. It is not merely a numbers game. Instead, the DB12 S is a vehicle meticulously crafted to ensure that every single mile spent behind the wheel is an intoxicating, unforgettable experience. If the standard DB12 is a breathtaking blind date, the DB12 S is the car you marry. Visually, the DB12 S immediately communicates its heightened intentions without losing the suave, tailored suit elegance that defines the modern Aston Martin aesthetic. The proportions remain classically beautiful: a long, sweeping hood, a set-back cabin, and muscular rear haunches that suggest coiled energy. Yet, the S variant introduces functional aerodynamic enhancements that give it a sharper, more aggressive edge. At the front, the lip spoiler now incorporates a pair of biplane splitters at its outer ends, subtly managing airflow while looking undeniably menacing. Moving to the rear, a new stand-up spoiler proudly sprouts from the deck lid, providing crucial stability at the immense speeds this machine regularly achieves. Perhaps the most striking visual alteration is found lower down at the rear. The DB12 S features a newly designed, broader rear diffuser, resculpted specifically to accommodate a stacked pair of exhaust tips on each side. It is a bold design choice that adds a touch of brutalism to an otherwise graceful silhouette. For those willing to delve deep into the options list, Aston Martin offers an extensive array of carbon fiber elements. A fully decked-out model can boast a carbon fiber roof and numerous exterior accents, though these options can easily tack an additional $100,000 onto the base price. But when dealing with rolling sculpture, cost often takes a backseat to visual and aerodynamic perfection. Beneath that sculpted clamshell hood lies the beating heart of the DB12 S, a Mercedes-AMG-sourced twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. In the standard DB12, this mighty powerplant already produces a formidable 671 horsepower. For the S model, Aston Martin's engineers have dialed up the boost pressure, extracting a colossal 690 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This extra power is concentrated at the upper echelon of the rev range, encouraging the driver to chase the red line and rewarding them with a ferocious surge of top-end acceleration. Yet, the brilliance of this engine tune lies in its everyday tractability. The throttle mapping is incredibly progressive. It never feels jumpy or nervous, but provides the distinct sensation of having an inexhaustible well of power available at any speed, in any gear. The rear-mounted 8-speed automatic transaxle has also received a comprehensive S-specific recalibration. While the DB12S claims a blistering 0-60 mph time of an estimated 3.2 seconds, a tenth of a second faster than the standard car, this improvement isn't solely down to the horsepower bump. It is largely the result of the transmission's lightning-fast launch control upshifts, particularly the crucial 1-2 transitions. The transmission bangs through the gears with an urgency that perfectly complements the engine's newfound ferocity, eventually propelling the coupe to an awe-inspiring top speed of 202 mph. Speed without a proper soundtrack is merely velocity. The DB12S provides an acoustic experience that borders on the theatrical. The transition to the stacked quad-exhaust layout opened the door for Aston Martin's acoustic engineers to alter the car's fundamental tone and timbre. The standard stainless steel system has been retuned to heavily pump up the bass, delivering a resonant idle that swells into a thunderous roar under hard acceleration. For those who crave even more auditory drama, an optional titanium exhaust system layers in a rich, exotic mid-range. Whichever setup you choose, the sound of the DB12S reverberating off a canyon wall or echoing through a tunnel is nothing short of magical, a mechanical symphony demanding you drive with the windows rolled down. Power and sound are intoxicating, but true engagement is forged in the corners. Here, the DB12S proves it is much more than a straight-line bruiser. The suspension has been comprehensively re-evaluated. While the damper tune is slightly firmer than the base car, the engineers have masterfully tweaked the balance between rebound and compression. The result is a paradox, a firmer setup that somehow yields more agreeable rolling comfort. Drivers are advised, however, to keep the suspension out of its softest GT setting on bumpy back roads, where the chassis can occasionally feel a bit unsettled over broken pavement. To sharpen the car's agility, the rear anti-roll bar diameter has been increased by a mere 0.5 millimeters. It sounds microscopic, but its impact is profound. This slight stiffening tightens body control in corners, resulting in significantly sharper turn-in response and creating the illusion of a much shorter wheelbase. Working in perfect harmony with the mechanical suspension changes is a reprogrammed electronic differential. The EDIF now operates more freely upon corner entry to aid turn-in agility, before locking up sooner on corner exit to maximize traction and allow the driver to deploy that 690 horsepower with absolute confidence. Crucially, the DB12S also benefits from standard carbon ceramic brakes, a feature that remains an expensive option on the base model. Not only do these massive rotors provide fade-free stopping power capable of hauling the 4,050-pound Grand Tourer down from triple-digit speeds time and time again, but they also drastically reduce the vehicle's unsprung mass. This weight reduction at each corner allows the suspension to react much faster to road imperfections, further enhancing the car's handling precision and overall ride quality. Ultimately, the 2026 Aston Martin DB12S is a triumph of incremental, purpose-driven engineering. Starting at $300,100, it demands a significant premium over its siblings. Yet, the sum of its parts effortlessly transcends the spec sheet. Through careful recalibration of its suspension, a more aggressive aerodynamic profile, standard carbon ceramic brakes, a more vocal exhaust, and a slightly unhinged V8, Aston Martin has succeeded brilliantly in its mission. They have built a Grand Tourer that doesn't just quietly devour continents, but one that deeply and holistically engages the driver on every single journey.